Thanks for taking a few minutes of your time to look at Rocky Mountain Realty's online coaching system. The name of our system is the 5-Minute Mindset. My name is Bob Hoffman. I'm the broker-owner of Rocky Mountain Realty. Over the years, I was a top producing agent for both RE/MAX and ERA before becoming a principal broker. Over the last 30 years, I've trained hundreds of agents, and at one time, I had as many as 100 agents working for me at once. My background is in marketing and sales. At one time, I organized a mortgage company doing refinances in several states, closing in excess of 300 loans per month using only 1,000 square foot of office space. High volume, low overhead has been the theme of many of my operations. As agents, we often ask ourselves the following questions. Am I satisfied with my production? What am I doing to improve my marketing and sales skills? Am I getting the results that I want? All of us have challenges. Here's a few of them. We're working on finances, goal setting, solving problems, doing the work, time management, consistent marketing, generating quality referrals, improving sales skills, effective communication, avoiding procrastination. Frankly, it takes a lot to be a good agent today. Do I want more from my career? Sometimes as agents, we feel like we're stuck in a rut. Well, whether we are a new or experienced agent, we can easily get bogged down in our day-to-day routines. I have found that many of my agents have struggled keeping balance in their lives. This is a struggle for all of us. All agents face the challenge of balancing their work life with their home life. David Omakea said, "No other success can compensate for failure in the home." Keeping balance in life is important. It's like trying to sit on a 3-legged stool with just 2 legs. You can't do it. You're going to hit the floor. As a broker, I wanted my agents to be successful in all aspects of their lives. Those who were tended to be more productive and enjoy their career more. Now, why do 87% of all agents fail in the first 5 years? Well, I think we all know. It's a lack of action. They don't do what they know how. You can be taught the how, the what, the where, but how do you overcome the inertia that it takes to take action? Now, brokers, they don't have the time to coach each of us individually to help change that. But what if you could at least find some tools and support to give you a better chance to succeed? So, what can you do? Is there a system or program that could help you consistently do the things that you know you should be doing? What can you do to be more successful? What can you do to take action more consistently and get things done? This is why the 5-Minute Mindset coaching system was developed. It was created to help agents solve these problems. Now, we're now taking this program and making it available to agents across the country. I know there's a lot of good training programs and systems available online today, but where's the track to run on? How do you create the right mindset that you would need to be successful and apply what you learn? Now, our online coaching system provides you with the techniques you need to sift through the information, make good decisions, and then take action. It gives you the track to run on. It helps you to develop the habits and the skills needed to build and maintain a successful real estate practice. Our unique and dynamic online coaching system provides many of the same benefits of one-on-one coaching with an investment of only 3 to 5 hours per month. You'll receive the teaching, the motivation, and accountability system that gives you the track to run on and take action. You will generate more leads. You'll learn how to work more effectively with buyers and sellers and close more transactions. Listen, we all know that coaching works. Some coaching companies claim that agents in their programs do as much as 10 times the production of the average agent. I don't know about that, but I do know that agents who implement our system will experience a significant increase in their production while maintaining balance in their lives. Now, the following features are available to you as an agent. You'll have full access to our online courses and resources that provide you with the methods and ideas that you need in generating and closing more transactions. Our online workbook for tracking your success using our unique 9-step system is part of what you receive. Also, there's a unique accountability system that helps you maximize your personal production and hold yourself accountable. These features will help you increase your production, which will raise your income, and also help you accomplish the goals you've set, including one day preparing for retirement. You'll be able to develop a healthier, less stressful lifestyle as you learn how to better balance your life with your career. Now, another thing you have is access to our training and motivational ideas. You'll have many of the benefits of one-on-one coaching without the time or the expense. Now, thanks for attending the introduction to our 9-step system, the 5-minute mindset. If you go to our site, you can try our system for 30 days free. We wish you the best of success. We hope that you'll try this free trial and enjoy the opportunity to learn more of what to do, how to do it, time management, and also to learn the accountability skills so that you can hold yourself and help others do the same. Thanks for attending.